A lot of B2B companies have a lot more complexity than a B2C site. And with that, focusing on user experience becomes even more important. You need to focus more on product specifications, ensuring that these have great visibility on the site. You need the ability to effectively filter large product catalogs based on a wide variety of attributes. Having product data in really good shape is often a pain point, and it really does impact the ability to have a successful user experience on the site. A lot of B2B users know exactly what they want, and making functionality like a quick order or reorder can have a really big impact on those customers. Overall, design is really important for B2B companies, and ensuring that core user experience is done right can really lead to improved customer satisfaction and improved business success. Unique challenges that B2B companies face regarding design have a lot to do with the unique functionality that may be required on a B2B site that a B2C site doesn't necessarily require. For example, shipping products to multiple locations within the same order is definitely a more complex order process than what a user would typically be looking to do on a B2C site. Another more complex challenge with B2B sites is managing accounts with a lot of users on them and ensuring that those users have the right permissions and that they're able to achieve what they need to. An opportunity to provide a unique feature that's important to customers and do it well will really aid with competitiveness and growth. A lot of B2B companies have these power users that are so used to coming onto their site and know exactly what they want. But there is usually still a core, although smaller percentage of users that are more novice. And it's important that those users don't get neglected and that they're supported and able to successfully navigate a site that is more complex and that they're still able to find what they're looking for as well. Prioritizing design in B2B is really important. There's research from Gartner that states that a satisfactory customer experience is correlated with customer loyalty. So there's a strong link between ROI and customer experience improvements. There's also research from Forrester that shows that on average, every $1 invested in UX brings $100 in return. That really shows you how important those design changes can be. And then finally, according to Baymard, just focusing on checkout UX issues, the average e-commerce site can gain roughly a 35% increase in conversion rate through a better checkout design. So prioritizing UX in B2B can really lead to a variety of tangible benefits